Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you're watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing question number 2B. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is given below. 900-936-8238. You have to just message on this number, so we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Or if you need handwritten assignments, we can provide also at your um, doorstep also. And if you need any other help related to study, you can also contact. Right now, here we are discussing question number 2, which is how would you justify that norms are indispensable part of our life? Question is taken from lesson number 8, and this question is about 40 to 60 word limits. If you need answers of this, you can contact us anytime. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.